Guys, it's Ray. I'm going to open up my subscription box for February from Love All Bling. It is a glitter company. loveallbling.com, Castellari's design studio. This is a monthly subscription. You sign up and you get billed the same date monthly. Sign-ups are open the 1st to the 7th of each month, and the boxes ship on or before the 15th monthly. I do believe sometimes they'll open it up to singles if they don't have subscriptions full, but I don't know if that's an every month thing. It's $35. It includes 5 glitters, 2 ounces of each in shakers. So you get 10 ounces total of glitter. You get 1 non-glitter item, such as a water slide, a tool, a mold, some vinyl, whatever. And it also says it includes 1 surprise. So let's get to it and see what we got. I believe they said this month's was supposed to be spring themed. So I'm thinking maybe Eastery stuff, pastels. That's got my phone number on, or my address on it, so I'm going to keep that. But cute little box. Love All Bling. loveallbling.com by Castellari's Design and Bling subscription box. So let's get to her. Oh yes, look at all those pretty pastels. Which is awesome because I don't really have any pastels in glitters. And I actually wanted some the other day. So perfect. But it says, I hope you love this subscription box. Here is a description of what you got. 5 2-ounce glitters, 1 mold, don't use fast set, 1 surprise, 1 sample, lots of love. Please join our social media and share your opinion of the box, Facebook group, Instagram, TikTok, and thank you again for your support. So, this is a little tool, little stir stick hand. And this mold, let's see what it is. Oh, it's a little Easter bunny, know me keychain. How cute. Little Easter gnome. I'll definitely use that at some point. And I think these are butterflies. Yep. So I have 1 or 2 out so you can see them. Tiny little opal butterflies. So those are cute. And then we have this little rainbow of pastels. Coraine. Alexandra, Grace, Sophia, and Amelia, or Amelia, I don't know. I never know how to pronounce these things, but these are beautiful. Kind of a little iridescent, all of them, which is perfect. But that's what you get in the subscription box. So these are cool. Like I said, I didn't really have any pastels and I was looking the other day. So I'm pretty excited about that. I have a bunch of their other glitters and they're fantastic. So this was one of those subscription boxes that I wasn't terribly concerned about ordering because I knew I would love whatever it was. But $35, that includes shipping on this box. So it was $35 all in. And everything you see here. So check it out, loveallbling.com.